RedAwning Booking Platform Review Usage Experience. Links to RedAwning and other useful resources are in the description. RedAwning is a vacation rental platform offering a wide range of properties, from cozy apartments to luxury villas across the US and international destinations. Unlike peer-to-peer rental services, RedAwning provides professional management for each property, ensuring consistent quality and a high standard of customer service. The platform is designed for travelers who want the flexibility of short-term rentals with the reliability and convenience of hotel-like services. RedAwning's main strength lies in its vast selection of properties, offering everything from budget-friendly homes to high-end luxury rentals in prime locations. The platform features an easy-to-navigate interface where users can filter results based on price, amenities, location, and property type. Each property is professionally cleaned, and guests receive essential services like linens, toiletries, and kitchen supplies, making it an ideal choice for families, groups, and longer stays. One standout feature of RedAwning is its 24/7 customer support, available to assist guests with any issues during their stay. This makes it a great option for travelers who prefer extra peace of mind while away. Additionally, RedAwning's network of properties means you can often find multiple listings in a single location, providing greater flexibility for large groups or families. However, it's important to note that prices can sometimes be higher compared to other platforms, due to the professional management of each listing. RedAwning is best suited for travelers seeking consistent, high-quality vacation rentals with added services like concierge support and flexible booking. It's perfect for families, large groups, or anyone looking for a professionally managed home. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly or unique peer-to-peer experience, it might not be the best fit. Overall, RedAwning offers a reliable and well-supported vacation rental experience, making it an excellent choice for those who value convenience and quality. Check the links in the description for more details.